Hybrid emails. What is hybrid email? Hybrid email marketing solutions has two components that seamlessly work together: a user interface that sits behind a company's firewall and lives where their customers' data already lives, and a cloud delivery system that quickly and efficiently gets marketing messages assembled and delivered. How is it different from other ESPs and Marketing Cloud? It isn't hard to understand why most marketers choose cloud-based solutions like Marketing Clouds or other major ESPs. SaaS platforms provides a complete suite of campaign management tools, allows for rapid innovation, and keeps the cost in check, versus old premise system by allowing marketers to utilize their back-end delivery architecture, new partners integration, acquisition, and front-end UI improvement open a world of possibilities for marketers. A hybrid model provides all those benefits and is distinguished from the SaaS solutions with regard to user experience and handling the messages delivery. Where hybrid truly sets itself apart is with the data management. Hybrid solution eliminates the database replication components of SaaS model and its associated inefficiency. So instead of requiring marketers to push customers' data to the cloud, the hybrid solution plugs directly into a company's existing database behind the firewall. Most organizations have already invested time and money copy a small amount of the map to another database in the cloud and keep it in sync, just so they can communicate with their customers. How does this help our marketing program? Security. Internal data is a precious asset, and customers have entrusted companies with their personal information. Companies can't afford to be next victim of a data breach that causes their customers to look to a competitor they can trust. When companies have to copy and send their data back and forth to a marketing cloud, it's vulnerable to attack. Hybrid allows you to keep all your customers' data under your control until it's ready for rendering and sending. That allows you to maintain the security your customer demands. The second solution is data complementness. Onboarding with any cloud ESPs requires the marketers to pick the data field they want to use, and that limits the available data throughout the entire relationship by setting directly on an existing database. That hybrid solutions allow marketers to utilize any data field they have available. Then they make necessary changes as their business needs. Third, data freshness. As soon as the data is replicated and sent to the cloud solution, it is out of date. It takes time for changes in one database to be reflected in a duplicate one. The hybrid approach eliminates this lag time because marketers are accessing their freshest, most up-to-date source. This also prevents data silos that keep companies from integrating information across multiple locations and providing everyone in their organization with an unfilled global view of each customer. Third is agility. When an enterprise marketer, the one thing you know isn't an option is staying static. You have to be able to adjust to new technology or add new features to stay ahead. Hybrid gives you full control to make changes you need in real time. At speed your business moves, saving you time of going back and forth with your ESP and the IT team. This then lets you better utilize your resources. That way your marketing and IT teams can concentrate on making your business successful, while your hybrid ESP keeps your email campaign moving. Here are some top reasons to switch to hybrid email. Easy data management. Where hybrid solution truly sets itself apart is data management. With any ESP, the user is required to pick the data field they want to import, which then limits the available data throughout the entire relationship. If the user subscribe base is constantly growing, it is a real headache to keep up to date with an ESP database before each email campaign. It takes time for changes in one database to be reflected in a duplicate one. By plugging directly into an internal database, a hybrid solution eliminates complex integration and time-consuming data synchronization process. Instead of requiring users to upload customer data to the cloud, hybrid system allows users to import the data into the locally installed software or create a direct link to a contact database and utilize any data field they are collecting. Guaranteed data security. As I said before, onboarding with any SaaS ESP requires the user data to upload their database on the cloud. Thus, you are forced to share your subscriber list with a third party, and you can't be 100% sure it will be kept secure through they all have the privacy policy. Hybrid email solutions eliminate all doubt because they allow you to load and contact list into your internal database on your local computer or connect directly to your subscriber database stored remotely, which can be accessed only by you. Using a hybrid email platform, you do not share your email list with any third party. You have the confidence that it is kept safe and secure. Full email list control. SaaS ESP have strict anti-spam policy and allows you to send emails to only subscribed users. Many ESPs require the confirmation that your list is opt-in and won't allow you to even upload your list if you have no subscriptions confirmation. In addition, some ESP scan your list for possible email address mining. If they don't like something about your email address, you are not allowed to use the service. Hybrid email system gives you the full control over your email list and mailings. You are free to upload any list and send messages to any users. Your delivery and sender reputation are in your hand. Email protocol differs from functions, some being used for receiving emails and other sending transporting. Here are examples of email protocols. IMAP protocol is a standard protocol for accessing emails from your local server. IMAP is a client-server protocol in which emails is received and held for you by your internet server. As this requires only a small data transfer, this works well even over a slow connection such as a modem. Only if you are requested to read a specific email message will it be able to download from the server. You can also create and manipulate folders or mailbox on a server, delete messages, etc. POP3 protocol. When using a POP protocol, all your email messages will be downloaded from the mail server to your local computer. You can choose to leave copies of your email on the server as well and take advantage as well. The advantages is that once your messages are downloaded, you can cut the internet connection and read your email at your leisure without incurring further communication cost. On the other hand, you might have transferred a lot of messages, including spam or viruses, in which you are not at all interested at this point. It's not good. SMTP protocol is used by the mail transfer agent to deliver your email to the recipient's mail server. The SMTP protocol can only be used to send emails, not to receive them. Depending on your network ISP settings, you may only be able to use SMTP protocol under certain conditions. HTTP protocol is not a protocol dedicated for email communications, but it can be used for accessing your mailbox, also called web-based email. This protocol can be used to compose or retrieve email from your account.